As far as the noises that get generated from joints, it's a common, maybe wives' tale that if you crack your knuckles, that will lead to arthritis in the future. And I don't think that there are any studies that would suggest that that's true to be the case. Oftentimes in the fingers and some joints that are smaller in volume, sometimes the noises that get generated from, so to speak, cracking your knuckles is really a noise that's created by the gases that are within the fluids of the joint coming out of suspension. And that's why you can't repetitively crack a knuckle. That's why you have to wait for a period of time until those gases dissolve back into the fluid. In regards to other areas of joints making noises, sometimes those noises do come from tendons snapping, popping over bony areas. The joints can become gradually worn, and so that the roughness of those surfaces can start to create what we call a crepitation, a noise. In the spine, I would say that maybe those noises that you hear and feel can be joints that make some noises, tendons that can make some noises. The chiropractor manipulation can create a noise. Usually these noises, if they're asymptomatic, not painful or very benign, some people feel the need to kind of crack their back to alleviate a pressure. And if that does so, I don't think that there's any harm in that. Any manipulation of the spine to make a noise has to be done very carefully, because you don't want to have the spine injured by that manipulation being too forceful. But in general, those noises that people hear, although annoying, are very benign. As a person ages, certainly there can be noises people complain of when their head movements, when their head moves. But there's really no treatment for that. It's something to understand that as you age, these things can develop and occur, and hopefully they're not painful.